Report of the Russian Ministry of Defense on the progress of the special military operation in Ukraine, 5th July 2022, reported by Igor Konashenkov, Russian Defense Ministry spokesman. The Russian armed forces continue to attack military facilities in Ukraine. High-precision weapon of the Russian Aerospace Forces cleared up 150 Ukrainian soldiers and 12 pieces of military equipment of Armed Forces of Ukraine 93rd Mechanized Brigade in Kharkov. In addition, high-precision weapon had two command posts near Zanovka in Ivanovka in Donetsk People's Republic, 4 ammunition depots and Messes artillery weapons near Krasnoye in the Kharkov region, as well as Armed Forces of Ukrainian personnel and military equipment in 18 areas, including a temporarily deployment point for foreign mercenaries near Liman in Nikolaev region. In a battle against the battery, 4 Ukrainian artillery platoons from the Uragan and Grad multiple rocket launcher system near Gorlovka, Donetsk People's Republic, and 1 Hasins B Howitzers artillery platoon near Kirovo, Kherson region were neutralized. Tactical and Army operational aviation, Messes troops and artillery have been targeted. 3 Armed Forces of Ukraine command posts, 2 weapons depots for ammunition and Messes artillery near Barsakhstan in the Nikolaev and Sidorovo region in the People's Republic of Donetsk. 1 radar station of S-300 missile system near Shirokolovka in the Nikolaev region, and Armed Forces of Ukrainian personnel and military equipment in 63 areas. 1 Su-25 aircraft of Ukrainian Air Forces was shot down by a Russian fighter near Novobareskoye in Kherson region. Russian Air Defense Forces shot down 3 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles near Chernobevka, Kherson region, Kuney, Kharkov region, and Alexandropolye, Lugansk People's Republic. 3 Toshkayu ballistic missiles near Chernobevka in the Kherson region and Permovevska region in Lugansk People's Republic, and 8 multiple rocket launcher system grenades near Leskovki and Dolgonkoye in Kharkov region. A total of 231 Ukrainian aircraft and 134 helicopters, 1,451 unmanned aircraft, 353 anti-aircraft missile systems, 3,910 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 716 multiple missile systems, 3,092 field artillery and mortars, as well as 4,016 units of the special military vehicles was destroyed during the operation. Ukraine also reported Russian losses updated on 132nd day. Russian lost 217 aircraft, 187 helicopters, 1,594 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 247 multiple launcher rocket system, 2,634 vehicles, field tanks, and 658 unmanned area vehicles and 15 boats.